Do you know the Jagannath idol in Puri is recreated every few years? Not repaired, not restored, recreated. Why is it done? And how does a temple replace its own deity? Let me walk you through the process. Watch till the end, because what happens to the old bodies is something most devotees never expect. The process of replacing the deity happens only in rare calendar years called Nabhakalebara, when the temple prepares for a new body. A temple governed group quietly leaves Jagannath temple. They are not searching for stone, not metal. They are searching for daru, sacred neem wood. Not every neem tree qualifies. Traditional list describes strict markers, specific branches, distinct signs on the wood, even the land the tree stands on. Once a tree is chosen, there is no substitute. When the tree is identified, everything slows down. The area is cleared, voices stop, silence takes over. No blade touches the wood yet. First, the trunk is touched with gold, then with silver, only then with iron. And when the first real cut is made, there is no turning back. That tree is no longer a tree. It has become the future body of the deity worshipped at the Jagannath temple. The logs are placed on the newly built carts. They move slowly, publicly, under watch. They are brought back to Puri and kept near a place called Koili Baikunta. Remember that name. Now the doors close. Inside the temple complex, carving begins. Only hereditary artisans are allowed inside. The space is sealed. Movement is restricted. They do not step outside. Even senior priests are not permitted to watch. What is being shaped is not treated as an art. It is treated as responsibility. So why is the Jagannath deity recreated? Because it is made of wood. Wood decays. Instead of denying impermanence, this tradition plans for it. When the new form is ready, a nighttime rite called Ghata Parivartana takes place. What is transferred is never shown. What it is never agreed upon. Only continuity is preserved. Then comes a part most devotees never expect. The old body is taken to Koili Baikunta and buried. Mourning rites are performed as if for family elders. The old deity is not destroyed, not discarded, laid to rest. Most temples try to defeat time. Stone, metal, permanence. Jagannath does the opposite. Here, decay is expected. Change is designed. The body is allowed to end so presence can continue. Comment Jai Jagannath if you enjoyed watching the story. If stories like this change how you see temples, follow Temple Girl. Because India's temples are not just places of worship. They are systems of thought carved into ritual.